Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy Brandon. We're out here once again. Short, little video doing something new. But we're out here fishing with your boy Christian. And your boy ain't fishing cause his license is expired, yo. But we're gonna get some footage of your boy catching some fish. Let's go, Christian. Oh, dude.
It's a pretty little trout. Nice. Oh, no.
It's so tight.
I hate this.
Oh.
Let's let it go. You got it.
Let's go, son. Another one. Guys, we're out here fishing. Don't even know what the river's called.
Clear Creek River, guys. Clear Creek.
Clear Creek River, bro.
Bit of a nice one.
Oh, it's a nice one.
Yeah, look. A little bit bigger. Look at him. He's chilling.
Jesus. Oh. Hey, show it over here, show it.
You're just...
Nice, dude. I'm recording it, so I got a picture, bro, right there. Let's go.
Get up.
Nice, dude.
Get up. There he goes.
You ready, Christian?
My fly is stuck in there. So I gotta get it. Try to not keep too much pressure though whenever I get it, so
yeah,
it doesn't,
so it doesn't help you. Oh. Look at them socks. Look at them socks. What you do for a fly.
Bro, it wasn't even stuck badly. God damn it.
Go, son. Let's go, Christian. That's a pretty big one, bro. Let's go. Fucking weirdo looking. Nice, dude.